I know you all are hungry to see more and more. I can see that positivity among you all. I'm so happy to see you all watching this in, with complete patience and all. And now we are going, because I told you, I've showed you from Krishna's birth till his killing comes, his uncle. Now a glimpse of his friendship, right? Even I can tell you that I cannot be that rich, but I'm people rich. I have so many people loving me. That is all because of the true friendship I have with them. And I'm always, blessed to have friendship. And our Krishna stories, each and every story, it's a moral story to all of us, right? Each and everything, it's a story we have to learn from it. He thought he was a king of Dwarka. Now we're going to see Krishna how he's being a king. He still has his friend who is very poor. You're going to see that. Who is he, his friend? Sudama. Now you're going to see Sudama and Krishna's performance. And once it is ready, I'm going to see Sushila, wife of Sudama. Sorry. Sudama's family was very poor. They're always in poverty. There was no food at all for them in the place. Always her children used to ask, Mama, where's food? Where is food? Always Sushila used to try to find something or the other. And that is Asurya and Sudama.
ഹൃദയം മധുരം ഗമനം മധുരം മധുരാധിപതേ രഖിലം മധുരം
family can eat. And Sudama, with a big smile, he said that, let Kanaji khayenge. He'll just always be bhajan. Let's go to bhajan. There's no
सबके सुनने पूरन कीजे बात देव नंदन तुमको वंदन हरते सबके लाज सबके सुनने अंदर हमें पूरन कीजे बात मंदिर में सजली है
You used to bring water and sing for Krishna. Why don't you all sing again together?
मंदिर में
Sing for Krishna, sing for Krishna.
छबियत प्यारी बंसी बजैया रस रचिया तारनहार मेरे तुम ही के भैया तुमसे बड़ा कौन कभी
Sing again. Shri Krishna
गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा.
But that night, the child woke up with loads of pain. That is hunger pain. There is no food in their home. Krishna got very angry. There is nothing to feed her. What shall I feed her? She started telling, you told, your friend is Krishna. He's king of Dwarka. What are you doing here? Go get something. At least get some grains. Why don't you get some grains? But before leaving, she gave him, poha, right? She gave him there rice plates. He said, okay, I'll go to Dwarka. Don't worry. Take care. I will go to Dwarka. I'll meet my friend Krishna and I'll come back. And he's on the way to Dwarka. Now everybody hold your breath because we are in Dwarka. You have to welcome Krishna, Rukmini, Satyabhama. Join your hands and welcome them. Swami as Rukmini, Deepika as Satyabhama, and our Kirana as Krishna. Dwarkadhish. Round of applause to them. Round of applause to Krishna, Satyabhama, and Rukmini. much. He's saying Dwarka city, it is so beautiful. In Dwarka, it is well built, it is constructed so well. Get Krishna, I'm so poor. He will allow me inside. He's
धर्म पत्नी के बार बार कहने पर सुदामा न चाहते हुए अपने बचपन के मित्र कुसुम के महलों के अंदर जाने का प्रयास किया तो द्वारपालों ने रोका। है किधर जाता है? सुदामा ने प्रार्थना की, ऐ
Dwarpalo. Asking Dwarpalo.
देखो देखो ये गरीबी का हाल, कृष्ण के दर पे विश्वास लेके आया हूँ, मेरे बचपन का यार है मेरा श्याम, यही सोच कर मैं आस करके आया हूँ।
He's pleading, crying.
अरे द्वारपालो कन्हैया से कह दो, अरे द्वारपालो उस कन्हैया से कह दो कि दर पे सुदामा गरीब आ गया है, कि दर पे सुदामा गरीब आ गया है। भटकते भटकते न जाने कहाँ से, भटकते भटकते न जाने कहाँ से तुम्हारे महल पे गरीब आ गया है, तुम्हारे महल पे गरीब आ गया है। अरे द्वारपालो कन्हैया से कह दो कि दर पे सुदामा गरीब आ गया है। न सर पे है पगड़ी न तन पे है जामा, बता दो कन्हैया को नाम है सुदामा, बता दो कन्हैया को नाम है सुदामा, बता दो कन्हैया को नाम है सुदामा। सुनते ही नारे चले आए मोहन, लगाया गले से सुदामा को मोहन, सुनते ही लगाया गले से सुदामा को मोहन, लगाया गले से सुदामा को मोहन, बराबर पे अपने सुदामा बिठाए, चरण आंसुओं से श्याम ने धुलाए, चरण आंसुओं से श्याम ने धुलाए, चरण आंसुओं से श्याम ने धुलाए।
He fed him, he does everything. They started talking about their childhood memories. He was king, but yet he, you saw everything what you have done with his friend. They're remembering everything. Krishna is asking, did you get anything from me? I know you did get something. Sudama is saying, no, what shall I give king? That is such a small gift, how can I give him? But Krishna started eating. He's opening. What is it? He started eating those ice cream. The second time, Rukmini Satyabhama said, enough, Krishna, enough. If you eat one more, What did we learn from this? How much richness, how much big we are. We should never forget our